guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you enjoy mom-related content, Disney stuff, and travel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And today I have a new and exciting video for you guys with my July Stitch Fix unboxing. So I'm so excited. I think this is my, I want to say, third box. So I'm really looking forward to it. I hope I got some good stuff inside because we're just a few days away from going on our family vacation to Maine, and I'm just so excited, and I hope I can use something that's here on my vacation. And if you hear a lot of background noise, they are mowing the grass, cutting some trees, and my kids are also somewhere bouncing around in the other room. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Open up my box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited to see what's here. Okay, so I'll have to say that this box felt a little, I'm just moving the knife away, felt a little bit heavier to me than my other boxes. But it's also, I think, the same size as my June box. And I think my very first box was like a lot bigger. But anyways, everything is beautifully packaged, as always. Excited. Okay, so you do get your return envelope. And if you do want to see my June Stitch Fix, I will put it up for you somewhere over here and you can check it out. I did end up keeping, I think, just about everything. I think I ended up sending something back because something was too big. Anyways, so you get your lovely note, which I'll be honest, doesn't look very lovely today. So the envelope is a little bit like bent. But right, I guess, like, who cares? This is also not folded very nicely, but okay, we're still going. All right, let me pull up the first thing. I will link everything in post editing, like somewhere right over here or over here, the name and the price. So if you did like this item and you wanted to get it for yourself, you know what it's called. Okay, so I'm excited, but I'm not so excited. All right, so let's see. So the first item I have, I did also ask for more summer related colors and styles. I guess this could be summer or fall, but to me this is looking like a fall item, but it's cute. I do like the style a lot. All right, moving on to the next. And like I said, I will link everything for you guys over here. I just don't want to make this video really long because I know you just want to get to the point and see what I got, right? Okay, here's another pretty top. I do like this as well, and it's also a little bit longer in the back. But again, I feel like this is more like fall, like end of summer, fall. All right. Oh my God, I think they got me a dress. I've been asking for a dress since the beginning. All right, so let's see. Okay, it's a short dress. It has a belt. Tie this belt, and if you hear some other noise, that's my dog who is anxiously walking around the house. You know why? Because there's probably a fly in the house and he is petrified of anything that flies. Okay, so this is a really pretty dress. I think I should love it. Just want to make sure that it fits really well over here, if you know what I mean. All right, moving on to the next one. Is this pretty thing? Wait a minute. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, I have to stand up and show you guys. So it's kind of like this. Wow, it has a really pretty back. This is really pretty, and it looks like the underlayer is like up to here somewhere, and then all of this is see-through. Okay, this is really pretty. All right, I see something else. I don't know how I feel about this, but you know, we gotta give it a try. So it's shorts. I don't know if I would ever like go for this color myself, but they're stretchy. I don't think they're high-rise because I typically like high-rise jeans and pants and shorts, but I'll give it a try. Okay, so just like last time, I'm going to go and actually try on each piece, and then I'll come back and tell you what I thought about it, and I will go over the prices because I still haven't seen what any of this costs, and I guess we'll make the decision there. Well, I'll make the decision. Anyways, I'll be right back, guys. I tried everything on, and I will actually be quite honest and say that I was pretty, I guess, I don't want to say shocked, but I was surprised at what I liked and what I actually didn't like. So this dress was, it's a beautiful dress, and what was heavy in the box is this dress. It's really, really heavy, and it's super, super stretchy. So it's really pretty. So what I like about this dress is that you really have like full coverage over here, even though it kind of like looks like it's really wide open, but it actually really closes you really close over here. So there's definitely gonna be no accident. Now the belt for me just doesn't work, and that is the problem that I have with dresses like this. They just hit me in all the wrong places, and it is just not a flattering look for me. So I don't even know how much it costs, but I'm just gonna tell you what I think, and then we'll open these up and see the prices. So this one is definitely gonna be a no. Now this pretty dress is actually really, really pretty, and I do like it. The back detail is very nice, and I'll put this back in. It doesn't come out too far down or like too low, so you're still covered, and it's very very pretty. Like it goes like right, I don't know, I mean like lower back, but not like low. So this one is definitely a contender. I really, really like it. And another thing, these colors, they're not, let me back it up. We're going on our vacation, and I booked a photographer to do a photo session for us, and we were kind of going with the blue theme, so this could actually be a contender. We were going with a little bit lighter blues, but there's some light blues over here which are very pretty, so this could work. This could work. So this top is very nice, and this style just fits me well, and I like it, and I have, I think, quite a few tops from them already, similar style, so this is definitely a contender. Now remember what I said right before I went to try things on, that I was not sure about these shorts, and I actually love them. They're actually so comfortable and stretchy, and yes, they're not high rise, but they fit just above the belly button, which is perfect. I don't know if that's too much information, but sorry. And the colors, like this outfit together is just perfect, and this will be perfect for my vacation. And this top is also a contender, and it's nice and stretchy and flowy. Again, this is right up my alley. This is exactly what I like. Did I just slap myself in the face with the tag? I think so. And this top goes so beautifully with these shorts. I mean, the colors again are just really, really complement each other. All right, so let me get you some prices, and let me see what this says. Okay, so I have a different stylist. So far I've had different stylists every single time. Okay, so we have a bit of a situation here, and let me tell you what happened. Remember when I first said that this envelope did not look right, something was wrong? This is crazy. It's the first time that ever happened to me, and I love watching Stitch Fix boxes, unboxing, and I don't think I've ever heard anything happen like this before. All right, let me show you. I don't know if the focus is too much. This and that, over here, over here, over here. What does that tell you? These items that are right here are not in my box. and my name is not Donna. How awful. And I had to go back and look at, like, my address here is correct, and the address on the box is correct. I mean, I read my name, and my name is on the return label. Now let's see if they got this right. No, this is correct. Okay, let's see if they got this part correct. So what do we have here? Here it does say my name. You see it right here? It says, hi Anna. But here, look at that. What does it say? It says Donna. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so at least they got one thing right? So the dress that has the pretty detailed, the cross detailed in the back, which is this one, the one that I was saying that we could possibly, well, I could possibly use for my photo session. This one. Let me show it to you guys again. The inside part keeps coming out, but this is the dress. It's full length. Obviously this goes inside. Sorry guys. So, and that's the pretty detail in the back. So this dress is $74, which I think is not bad. I mean, it's a full length dress. $74 is not bad. It's not bad. All right, so now I have this dress, and it's not that big of a price difference, but this one is $88, and I definitely do not love this dress for $88. So this one is definitely a no. All right, now my favorite top, 41 Hawthroen. Okay, so this top is $58, which is kind of like, I guess, like an average price for these tops. I think I've seen them, or I've gotten them like 48, so I guess 48, 58, kind of like the same, more or less. Now we have this top, which is $44, which is reasonable for a top for me. Now the only other thing that I am seeing, like my eyes like going over there, is that these shorts are $68. That's expensive. That's really, really expensive for me. So let me give you a recap. So like I said, on paper over here they got everything right, but this is not Donna, and these items are not in my box. So, and like they got it right over here. But as far as these pretty items are not in my box, and unfortunately I'm not Donna. But I wonder if Donna got my printout. So my total before the discounts is $332. If I buy all, I'm saving 25%, which would be $83. So then my whole order comes out to be $249. And then if, of course, I don't send anything back, they'll minus the styling fee, which is 20 bucks. And that brings me to the grand total of $229. Now, when I look at it like that, $229, if I loved everything, I think I would be very happy with 5 pieces for $229, but I don't, and I'm gonna have to send a few things back. So, and what I'm gonna send back is going to be this dress. And so this dress, so my discount was $83, and this dress is $88. So I guess more or less we're kind of like breaking even, I guess. So that's about it. Like I said, I will link everything for you guys down below. All right guys, well that's gonna do it for this Stitch Fix. Again, I'm pretty shocked like that. They kind of messed it up, but it kind of looked weird, like I said in the very beginning. But anyways, I'm still very pleased with the items that I got. I do think that they're more end of summer, fall item. Because of the colors and stuff. I still wanted like lighter and brighter things, but that's okay. I'm pretty happy with what I got. I will be sending this one dress back, and I guess more or less I'll be, you know, I'll break even. And that's about it. So if you do want to try a box, I have what do I have? A referral code, right? So I will link it down in the description below. You can check it out and you can get a credit, or a discount I should say, and if you get a credit and I get a credit, and everybody's happy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to come back next time when I get another Stitch Fix box, and hopefully that will come with the right information. Anyways, take care guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.